Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm Corey, Softbeat Motors obviously, and today I'm down in Conroe, Texas. Going to do a video today on my father's truck. It's not going to be like a review video or anything like that, but he's been having a problem with it, and we're going to fix the problem, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So let's get to that right now. So here's the Pops' truck. It's a 2011 Ford F-150. He bought it brand new, it's all paid off, ready to go for him. But now that it's paid off and everything else, it's starting to have some problems on the inside. Okay, so inside the truck, the issue is with the turn signal. If you go to the left, nothing. Doesn't want to work at all. Go to the right, it works just fine. You can't stop it, so you have to turn the wheel. So as long as you make right-hand turns, it's perfectly fine. So what we're going to do today is we're going to fix this problem, and the problem actually lies within this turn signal. We've got a new one right here. Picked this up from O'Reilly's. It was about 50 bucks with the tax, and it pretty much is I'm pretty sure it's a genuine Ford part. If the camera won't focus, but it's a genuine Ford part, I believe, and we're gonna get going on fixing that. It's real easy to do, so I'm gonna get you set up on the tripod, and we're gonna get going. All right, so basically to do this job, you need a T10 Torx bit and a 7/32 socket. Socket's gonna be to get the bottom portion bolts of the clamshell off, and the Torx is gonna be to actually get the switch off, and then you'll have to finagle the clamshells apart once you get the bolts out from underneath. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Got your 3 bolts out, set those off to the side, don't lose them. So once you got the bolts off, you will need to remove this boot here, which just simply comes off like that. Just push that up out of the way. And there's a couple of hook style tabs back in here, which you'll get in a second. And then this is just going to pull apart. So we're going to go ahead and pull that apart right now. You got to be careful of this switch here, and then we got to work around the adjuster. You can let the bottom portion just hang. You don't really need to take it off. But I don't know if you can see it, but that's the little hook style thing I was telling you about. It goes into this piece right here. Turn the steering wheel. You want to turn the truck on, turn the steering wheel, because we're going to want to get to this bolt right here and this bolt, and that's where the T10s come into play. The camera will focus, which it probably won't. Ta-da! What a booger. bottom bolt does have to come out in order to pull this switch off for your foot pedals. Set that off to the side.
Hurry up, it's starting to rain.
Boom, you just pull it out. Just that easy.
Just in case.
It's the old switch, it's a TRW. Here's the new switch, also a TRW. So they are identical. They scratched out Ford Motor Company on this here and crossed off the part number. That's the only difference between these two switches. So-called aftermarket, so-called factory. Assembly. Just push it in. Push that in. Now, just to test it.
Works for me. It's a beautiful thing.
Down, the left works. Up halfway, cancels it. Right works, halfway, cancels it. Boom, we're back to factory. The last thing to do is finish putting on the clamshell. One. There's that one. Rubbing.
Now it's not raining.
Yeah. Remember not to over tighten these screws, they don't take very much torque. You know, just finger tight, that's all you gotta do. Okay, once the bolts are finger tight, then have to reinstall the boot. the fingers or with the bolts finger tight down here, you then have to reinstall your boot, which is real simple. Push back in place. There we go. And just make sure it goes through the gears. That's it. That's all there is to it. Done and over with. Fix your directional problem. This thing is also known for having if your windshield wiper stop working and the washer stuff. Chances are this is probably part of your problem as well. May not be the only problem, but it could be part of the problem because there's a relay and stuff built into this. So it's a cheap part. It's real easy to do, and you don't have to go to the dealer for this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for stopping by. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. And make sure you're following Offbeat Motors over on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'll have links to that all down below. Thanks a lot, guys. See you guys next time around.